name's Nani. This is my 14-and-a-half-year-old female Korean Jindo named Bia. I've had her for 10 years. Um, when she was about 10 or 11, I noticed that she was having some weakness in her back leg area, which happens to, I think, a lot of senior dogs. And luckily, I was with a vet who really believed in holistic care versus medication. So we started off with acupuncture, which was not a good fit for her. It just didn't take. The other therapy that you hear a lot about for senior dogs with hip dysplasia is the hydrotherapy, the underwater treadmill. But Jindos hate water, like hate water. So I knew that that was not going to be a good fit for us. And I really had my doubts about laser therapy because they didn't know what it was, they didn't understand how it works. And basically, in layman's terms, from what I understand, is that the laser actually clears out cellular waste, thereby kind of alleviating that arthritic pain. So I think people in the beginning, and especially certainly myself, is it's a big investment in the beginning because you have to go twice a week for a month, then it's once a week for a month, and then it's once every other week. So it's kind of a decreasing frequency, so you really have to put the time up in the front. And so I did it, and I really wish that I had started it sooner. It's really helped her a lot with her mobility. I recently moved into Naperville, and one of the reasons that I chose Naperville Animal Hospital is because I wanted to continue her laser therapy, but due to her age and her history with my primary care vet, I didn't really want to move everything over because her file is literally this big with her age. And Naperville Animal Hospital was the only one who was willing to really form a partnership with me and say, yeah, sure, we'll get the records. They follow the exact procedure she's had, for the same year, so it's very consistent. It's the routine that she's used to. And I felt like a lot of the other animal hospitals were only interested in trying to get me as a full-time client. So that didn't really fit with kind of the needs that we had. So I would highly recommend that you try laser therapy or ask someone for more information about it and see if it works for your pet as well.